Alright, so kule video le let's check still probability, but then kule probability le let's check probability yamabhola ne. So let's say we have a container, and kule container le sinamabhola are blue. Let's say amabhola are blue I5, right? And then bese siba namabhola orange. So let's say amabhola orange I3. Yeah, amabhola orange I3. So it means in total lapha phakathi sizoba sinamabhola I8 because we have 5 blue balls and we have 3 orange balls. Right, so in total we have 8 balls. Bese le container le siyayivala, and let's say we have a small opening lapho la kungena khona isandla. So umuntu uzofaka isandla sakhe la phakathi. Okay, yeah, angeke ngizidrawe sibe nje perfect drawing or good drawing, so draw nje isandla sangena. Okay, so let's say umuntu uzofaka isandla la, then athathe ibhola randomly la phakathi. So sifuna ukucheck ukuthi what are the chances of ukuthi lo muntu lo athole ibhola eli-orange, or what are the chances of ukuthi lo muntu lo athole ibhola eli-blue, right? So now check la, in total sinamabhola ayi-8, and what are the chances of this person getting a blue ball? So the probability of getting a blue ball is equal to sinamabhola ayi-5 out of 8, right? So it means the probability of getting a blue ball is 5/8, which is 0.625, and in terms of percentage that is 62.5%. That is the probability of getting a blue ball if we uthatha ibhola randomly. And what is the probability of this person getting an orange ball? So if lo muntu lo ufuna ukuthola an orange ball, it means that person's probability is 3/8, because we have 3 orange balls out of 8 balls kule container layer. So it means a probability yakhe in terms of a percentage, that would be, okay, in terms of fraction that would be 0.375. In terms of percentage, that is 37.5%. so that is the probability of this person getting an orange ball, right? So yeah, what if lo muntu lo ufuna ukuphika ibhola twice, ne? So if uphika ibhola twice and there's a condition that we replace the ball, now nje will keep us replace, or we return the ball. So naqeda will keep uphinde uyalibisela, but lo muntu lo manje ufuna ukuphika out la mabhola kayi-2. Same thing applies kule coin, ukuthi ufuna ukuflip i-coin kayi-2, uyaliflipa uthole i-head, uphinde uyaliflipa futhi, maybe uthole another outcome, right? But in this case sine container inamabhola awu-8 in total, 3 orange, 5 blue, and sifuna ukuphika twice, right? So for the first pick nasingasebenzisa i-tree diagram. For the first pick, it's either lo muntu lo angathola ibhola eli-blue or angathola ibhola eli-orange, right? And what is the probability of ukuthi lo muntu lo athola ibhola eli-blue? Out of le container le blue, we have 5/8. And what about orange? the probability of getting orange, we have 3/8, right? So this is the first pick. So if uphikile wathola blue, and that blue ball is replaced by another blue ball lapha kule container, or it is returned back to the container. So for example, let's say nakaphika kokuqala uthatha le bhola leli, which is blue, so it means le bhola leli lisekho lapha phakathi, right? It means alisekho. So kusele ngakho amabhola blue manje, kusele 4, and itotal amabhola in total there are 7. But if we say lo muntu lo uyalikhipha le bhola aphinde replace or return, then it means we still have that ball inside. So it means in total again we still have 8 balls, and in total blue balls are 5, because it's a replacer or it's a return, right? If we are picking up blue ekuqaleni, nase afuna ukuphika another ball lapha phakathi kule container, it means still the total number of balls is 8, and still the total number of blue balls is 5, right? So chance yakhe ayikashintshi futhi. So let's say uphika kwesi-2, this is the second pick. Now uphika kwesi-2, it's either futhi angaphinda athole blue, or maybe manje athole orange. So what if ekuqaleni bekaphike orange, and his probability or her probability was 3/8, right? And then if ufuna ukuphika kwesi-2, it's either angathola blue or angathola orange. But if the ball is returned nasekaphika kwesi-2, it means the total number of balls is still 8, and the total number of orange balls hasn't changed. So let's say uphikile ekuqaleni wathola ukuthi uphume no blue, and while return le ball, and asaphika kwesi-2, nasekalikipha futhi kwesi-2, the probability of getting a blue ball is 5/8, because amabhola blue in total awakashinji. Then phinda thole enye i-blue, right? So what if nasekaphika kwesi-2 uthole ukuthi it's 3/8 if uzothole orange, right? And same thing applies nangapha. If beyaphika orange ekuqaleni, manje kungenzeka athole blue, and probability is still 5/8. And then if uzothole orange, the probability is still 3/8. So question, what is the probability of this person getting a blue ball and another blue ball? Kusho ukuthi ekuqaleni uzothola eli-blue, nasekaphika kwesi-2 uphinde futhi uthole eli-blue. So we want to check the probability of getting a blue ball and a blue ball. And now check according to the tree diagram, we have a blue ball which is 5/8, and we have another blue ball which is still 5/8, right? So that is your probability of getting a blue ball and a blue ball. So that is 5/8 times 5/8, and we get 25/64, or in terms of fraction 0.390625. And still singayibhala as a percentage, and that is 39.0625%. That is the probability of getting a blue ball and a blue ball. And what is the probability of getting orange and then a blue ball? So getting an orange and then a blue ball, so that is 3/8, and then getting a blue ball, that is 5/8. Then basically calculate the probability. So what is the probability of getting at least a blue and an orange ball? So it means at least kumele kube nebhola eli-blue and kumele kube nebhola eli-1 eli-orange. So what is that probability? All right, so now per tree diagram we can get a blue and an orange. At least kune blue and kune orange food, right? So it can be B, oh, it can be blue and then orange, or ungathola il-orange bese uthola elinjani eli-blue. So at least kunamakhala ahlukene lapho, right? And what is the probability of getting blue and then orange? Blue is 5/8 and then orange is 3/8, right? And what is the probability of getting orange? It's 3/8. And what is the probability of getting blue? It's 5/8, right? And then when the total probability of getting at least an orange and a blue, at least kumele kube ne-A1 angisho, then it means uzo-adda lama probabilities lawa I2, uzo-adda loku plus log. So that is the probability of getting at least a blue ball and an orange ball, right?